All right, this is the Core 4-person straight-sided tent. I just got it and did an unboxing. I have no idea what the camera showed because that's not what I do. But I am a fan of Core. They've been real supportive. And this is my divorce-sized tent for one person. So I put it up in under 15 minutes for sure, like from cutting the boxes and setting it up. And one person, no problem. This is different than a previous model that I've had. I'm curious how it's going to work. And of course, there will be a rainstorm for sure. As I mentioned, I didn't get the one that had the outside screen room because I have a Gazelle. And I also am ordering a awning that should be here that can bridge from the car to the tent. As I mentioned earlier in another video, I dislike the amount of screen that you lose with this window pocket system. That's 7 inches of screen. It's a couple square feet. The vent does help, and as does, you know, the mesh top, but you want to make sure your tent's in a spot where it's not getting direct sun, otherwise it's straight up oven. And losing that much ventilation is not helpful. So I think it's great, a great value. I like the company. There are others that look like this out there, but honestly, I've had good luck with Core, and I don't want to try something new. So these are, I would call them medium weight. These are not the lightest weight poles in the world, but this is, for me, intended to be a 4-season tent, but I don't go places where it gets stupid for long. God knows we've been camping in the snow, but that's why we have a Prius of climate control. The tent's going to be used for extra space, and it breaks down to such a small bag that I can use it at other times, and I can also just keep it stored and not have to use it on a trip, because unlike the Instant Up tent, I'm not committing a lot of space to this tent. While it does pack plenty of space at 8x8 for a dog and I to hang out in. And the whole thing packs up into this duffel, and my experience with the Core is that it fits in the bag with room to spare. I like that this floor is sturdy. It's not technically a bathtub floor. But again, if you're camping and it's flooding, I hate it for you. That's not what these tents are meant for.